Hi, so this is Beanbag's adoption page that the, my parents and sister went to go to a Greyhound adoption event, and she was one of the girls there, and my sister loved her because she's so sweet and so docile. So they chose to adopt her. And so here's the picture of her. And we can see some more pictures. So we see that one. And we see this one of her whole body. So it was raining that day when they took these pictures, so that's why there's all sorts of little dots, but she's definitely filled out since then because she's gotten some more food. She might have lost some muscle mass because she's not an athlete anymore. But she got a good house coat now. Yeah. Oh, here's another one. Hello. Look at her ear. So we think that another dog bit this ear, her left ear, so she doesn't really have full range of motion in the ear, so it's just always kind of flopped over like that. When she perks her ears. So that's really cute. Yeah. And you could see that she's been adopted. And they made a kind of ticket. So she was headed from Florida to New Jersey on the 5th. And my parents and sisters saw her on the 6th. And some nice people sponsored her to come up and get adopted. And this description is very, very accurate. She's a pretty girl, but she's big in spirit. That is very true. She's friendly, but can be put away, redirected. Yeah, she is rather unassuming. She does walk nicely on a leash. She loves to run too. Yeah, and she loves a comfortable bed, but she also loves a comfortable carpet or hardwood floor too. And her back leg was surgically repaired. We're not exactly sure when, but she does just fine. She just doesn't, when she's done running, she's done running. She's like, oh, it hurts now. Gotta stop. Yeah. And yeah, she's met some cats. She's met some other dogs. She tries to run and play with those other dogs, but they're just too slow. So that's her adoption page.